Guys, how's it going? I want to thank you for making it here to Skirt Garage. My name's Connor. I usually do car reviews and drag races and stuff like that, but today I've got a DIY for you. It's pretty simple. It's an oil change. The whole reason I'd like to make this video is because there has been some confusion. It's kind of weird. The Jaguar F-Type R, in order to check the oil level, you have to run the engine for 10 minutes and then check it electronically. So there's no dipstick, and what that's caused is a few dealerships overfilling these engines, and obviously if you overfill an engine, you have catastrophic issues. So I want to make this video so you guys know exactly how to do it. You can do it at your house, you can save some money, and most importantly, Jaguar recommends that you change your oil on these cars once every 10, some even suggest up to 12,000 miles, which is way too much for a fuel injected car, especially these ones. So I like to change my oil every 6,000 miles, sometimes 5,000 if they've been hard 5,000 miles. So I want to make this video for you guys. If you appreciate it, please, like always, do me a kindness, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. I'd obviously appreciate that. Without further ado, let's get started on this video. Okay guys, here you have it. This is everything you need for the oil change. I like to order my kits from FCP Euro. It's cheaper, they already have everything you need to go, and so that's kind of what I like to do for my own cars. So yeah, you have your oil filter that they send you, a new drain plug they send you, all of the oil necessary. The only thing that does not come included in this kit here is this. This is I believe I got it on Amazon, I can't even remember now, but it is a Steelman cap wrench. This is to remove the old filter from your car. You need a 90mm 15 flute oil filter removal. So I'll leave the link to both of these things in the description for you guys, that way it makes it a little easy for you. Guys, this part is super important. It's so important I have stopped my editing of the video to make a new video to add to it. And it's, you cannot blindly just throw in the oil capacity, because if you do, you will overfill these engines. It happens all the time. So if you haven't kept track of how much oil has exactly come out of your engine, I recommend that you take these numbers I'm giving you for whatever engine you have. I have the numbers there. I recommend that you take that number and you start by adding less than the full capacity. Run the engine, check it again. You can always add more, but if you overfill it, you're in trouble. There is no dipstick to check, so take this advice and you'll be fine, all right? Guys, that is gonna do it for the video. If this has helped, please, like always, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. I love you guys. Be safe.